We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.